and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trish and today is going to be an eyeshadow palette roulette declutter video. Now what this is, if you're new here, is where I randomize a palette, use the palette on my eyes, and then decide whether or not I'm going to keep or declutter the palette. Now there are some exceptions to this, but none of those apply in today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and randomize today's palette. Okay, so today's palette is going to be the BH Cosmetics Cherry palette. Let me go ahead and grab that palette. Okay, so this is the BH Cosmetics Cherry on Top palette, and this is what that looks like. And it is a hair bit more red than it is pink, at least with these shades down here. So I am gonna go ahead and get it on my eyes and see what I think.
I keep on thinking about the words, how you say them when they hurt. I turn them inside out to see if there's a hidden message for me. I'm hoping, I'm wishing that one day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose, I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Thought that it could work. Am I the one who will get burned? I see the glances you're faking it. How long will you keep playing it? I'm hoping, I'm wishing that one day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose, I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. Word has it, what word has it? Whisper through the grapevine. You fade out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you, taking me by surprise. Word has it, what word?
Okay, so this is the final look with my BH Cosmetics Cherry on Top palette. And I gotta say, when I started using this, I really thought these were gonna turn out more red than this vibrant hot pink. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but this is a hot pink color. And I kind of like it. For once, the pink is not making my eyes look sick. Maybe hot pink is the way to go for me, for pinks at least, but it's not making my eyes look sick, and that is really fantastic. I am very pleased with the way the look came out. Now, as for the performance, now this did stain my finger when I was putting it on my eyes, which means they're going to stain my eyelids. I realize that's probably going to happen, especially with pigmented shades like this, but The problem is I had to put on a very full coverage concealer and a very full coverage foundation to clean up where the eyeshadow had got out of where I wanted it to be because I couldn't wipe it away. So that's a little bit of an annoyance to me, at least. And then the other thing is I had put this on my upper inner corner, and as you can see in the close-up shots of the finished look, it's actually bled down to the inner corner down here. Now I don't mind that, it looks pretty good with the finished look, but that's not where I put it. It didn't stay there. So in terms of keeping or decluttering this palette, I really like the look that I created. I just had to work extra hard to get it. And usually for me, even when I'm doing colorful eyeshadow looks, I like to just slap it on and go. I'm not a very detailed person, as you guys can see in my numerous videos where I've done this before. I usually use 4, maybe 5 shades and I'm good to go. I'm not one that likes to work really hard to create a good look. So I think because of that, I'm going to declutter this palette. Now, I do like this palette. I do recommend it, especially if you like these colors. I mean, it's a pretty look. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very pretty look. It's just, they're a little bit beyond my expertise, which I don't have any expertise. But I will say they're a little bit beyond my expertise. So that is going to be a declutter for me. Yeah, declutter. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you would like, comment, and subscribe, it really does help me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.